I just paid $7 for one Crunchwrap. Look at this. This is what $7 gets you. Now, watch this. I made my way to Walmart and grabbed a pound of beef, some large tortillas, corn tortillas, sour cream, nacho cheese, taco seasoning, iceberg lettuce, and romaine tomatoes. I'm gonna show you how to make 7 Crunchwraps at home for under 20 bucks. And when you see the final cost, you might stop going to Taco Bell. Same layers as Taco Bell, bigger portions, less money. Most people make this mistake. They dump this down the drain. That's money, that's flavor. Save it and turn it into rice or sauce. This is literally how Taco Bell makes their meat. Loose beef, saucy, not dry. Money hack. Don't waste your money on hard corn shells. Use soft corn tortillas and fry them flat. Cheaper, fresher, and just as crunchy. Pro tip, press the tortilla down. This keeps the edges from cooking before the center and gives you an even crunch. If you want, use a little more oil. That's how you get the Taco Bell style color. Big tortilla first, beef in the center, not the edges. Nacho cheese goes directly on the meat. Now the crunch. This is the entire reason you are here. Sour cream on the shell, not the beef. Cold on the top, hot on the bottom. If the tortilla doesn't fully cover, use another tortilla and patch the top before folding. No blowouts, no waste. Fold one side, then the opposite side. Work around the circle until it's sealed tight. Slow equals clean folds. If it rips, it's too cold. Warm tortillas 10 to 15 seconds before folding. Or learn the hard way like me. Fold side down always. That seals everything. That sound. That's what Taco Bell charges $7 for. Taco Bell charged me $7.27. $7.27 times 7 is $50.89. That is crazy. Reminder, I made 7 of these for $17.41. $17.41 divided by 7 is $2.48. Look how full it is. That's the proof. This is Taco Bell $7.27 Crunchwrap. This is TasteBud Odyssey's Crunchwrap. Now let's see how this tastes.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
I'm not saying stop going to Taco Bell, but the kitchen is definitely winning. If saving money and eating good is your thing, you gotta check out my Chipotle video next. I beat a $9 Chipotle bowl for $4 and I have the receipt proofs for it. This one even shocked me. Hit like if this saved you money and subscribe if you're tired of overpriced fast food. I'll see you on the next one. Peace!